Add coffee to yogurt and you'll be surprised by the result. Delicious and easy to make. For our recipe, we'll need 7 ounces of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix well. Half cup of sugar. 1 fluid ounce of oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 cup of flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to sift. And mix again. I'd like to send a shout out to Susan Julie from Sydney, Australia. She's always following our recipes. Thank you very much. 2 fluid ounces of water. This is the perfect consistency for our batter. Add to a greased and floured pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 356 degrees for 40 minutes. To know the perfect point of the cake, just skewer it and it has to come out clean. And our coffee cake is ready. Super soft and delicious. Try this recipe. I'm sure everyone will love it. Thank you for your company. I'm Laura from Want More Recipes. Until the next video, God bless you. Bye-bye.